Hello, Manang Grace. Hi, this one. Manang Grace, I want to greet you a happy 50th birthday. But it doesn't look 50. Anyway, Manang, nung naisip ko na na birthday mo, naisip ko nung anong gift ko sa'yo. Pero meron, but it takes a while kasi hindi ko kaya yung talagang pinakamagandang gift ko sa'yo. But hopefully, mamaya siguro or maybe bukas, I'll send you flowers. Anyway, Manang, I want to really greet you a happy birthday, and I wish for you have more blessing, good health, and I hope na we're going to see you again soon. Manang, you're really one of a kind person for me, for us, especially my kids and Mayan. And lahat-lahat, every time yung mga bata will still remember you always because they know that you love them, and me and Mayan always nag-advise ka kahit na inaantok ako, you keep sending me, or pag nakakausap kita, especially I'm really tired at work, your advices, and Manang, we did miss you a lot. Right? Kahit na malayong-malayo kayo, pero sa puso namin, malapit ka sa amin. And we miss you, especially kids, Andoy and JD. Manang, hopefully, magkita tayo next year kung God's will. Now, it's your birthday. Sana maligaya ka kahit wala kami dyan. At sana matanggap mo yung gift ko sa'yo by siguro weekend, or I don't know, kasi card lang yun. Pero sana maging masaya ka sa birthday mo. Manang, sana kailan ba? Next year. Yup, we're going to see you. Sana gorgeous ka pa rin. Look beautiful, young. At syempre, look after yourself. Kasi, miss na miss ka na namin na makita. At sana sa birthday mo ngayon na it happened that it's 50, pero bata ka pa rin. Umaka pa rin 30s. Sana mag-enjoy ka, enjoy your life, enjoy the kids, at always remember that lagi naming naalala. Alright, Manang? Ano po masabi ko? Stay pretty as you are. Gusto ko yung ganyan ng Hawaiian mo, Saka, on your birthday, sana, kantahin mo yung, Top of the World. Then, sana sa video of that, yeah? How's that, Nicole? How's that, yung Top of the World? Top of the world, I'm looking down on creation, and the only explanation I can find, that's the one, happy birthday na lang. Manang, happy birthday, and I wish you more blessings to come. I love you, Manang, and sa mga dyan, sa kanila, yung mga kasama dyan, sila Manang Flor, Manang Benny, Manang Edgar, Manang Eric, Tita Dulce, and JD, Andoy, who else? Jonathan, JP, Princess, Chet, everyone, yung mga pamangkin, and mga kaibigan, especially to Manong Edgar. I hope masaya kayo dyan as you're going to celebrate o you know, Manang Grace birthday. And miss ko kayong lahat. I love you. I love you. And take care everyone. God bless. Manang, happy birthday. Oh, ayan na. Kiss you. Happy birthday. Love you. Bye. From England.